is Miss Joyce, and I'm the Youth Services Program Coordinator at Collinsville Community Library, which is part of York County Libraries. For today's craft, we will be making an animal bookmark. And today's animal bookmark will be a tiger. And so our end result, our product is going to look like this. So then when you're reading your book, you can just put it right inside the tiger's mouth and close your book until you get a chance to read later. So you'll need to have colored paper. So if you have colored paper laying around at home, construction paper, cardstock, any type of paper, then you'll be able to make your animal bookmark. You'll need glue, scissors, Sharpie if you want to use a Sharpie to make the tiger stripes. I'm going to also need a ruler and a pencil because I need to draw my measurements, because I can't use this to make a bookmark. I have to measure 6 inches by 6 inches. So I'm going to do that right now. So you're going to take your paper. If you choose yellow, that's great. If you choose another color, that's fine because it's your bookmark. And so I'm going to go down 6 inches. And then make sure it's 6 inches wide, 6 inches long, right there. There we go. I'm going to lightly draw my line so when I cut, I can make my line straight. So, and then go ahead and cut. And nice thing about this, you know, if it's too, when you fold it, you're going to see this in a little bit. When you fold and you realize, oh, I got too much, you can easily cut the extra length off. Alright, so I should have 6 inches by 6 inches piece like this. And what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and fold in half like a triangle, like a giant triangle. So I'm going to fold it and I'm going to show you. Try to line it all up. There we go. Okay, I noticed that I must have not got a little extra lane here sticking out, so I'm going to cut that a little bit off, trim it, and that's okay. I'm going to trim a little bit here. And trim a little bit there because you're going to see why we need to trim it. So it should all be smooth like a giant triangle. Now I'm going to go ahead, lay it flat, and then I'm going to fold one corner up like this. So we're going to do this. You're going to triangle bases there. I'm going to fold, and you can see like another triangle is being created. Smooth it out. Then I'm going to take the other piece and fold as well. Nice and smooth. So you start off with that. Fold, fold. So it's like a diamond. And then go ahead, unfold it. The top part, you're going to, the top part right here, you're going to fold down, create like a flap. So I'm going to take this top part, fold it, create like a flap, and I'm going to smooth it, make it smooth. And I'm going to take this corner, and I'm going to tuck, I'm going to take this bottom corner, I'm going to tuck it in the front flap. So you see like that. So I'm going to take, again, so take this, tuck it in the pocket, right, and create a pocket. And I'm going to take the other one and do the same thing. So again, I'll this part, fold it, tuck it in. And then it should be, this is going to be the top part. So I noticed mine not fold properly, so I'm going to fix it. That's easy, you can do that. I can fix that. And then nice and flat. Okay, this is going to be your top part. And then you're going to, because that's going to be the opening where, remember I showed you the pages in the book? That's where the mouth's going to be. Okay. So now you're going to decide, okay, what am I going to do next? So if I look at my example, I notice my tiger has stripes, has eyes, has his tongue, and then inside his mouth, and his teeth. So you can go ahead and you can either decide, well, you know what, I have some black construction paper, I'm going to make the tiger stripes. Or you go, I have a Sharpie, so I'll make the tiger stripes. It's your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Sharpie. And I'm going ahead and make my stripes first to get my stripes done. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the top, the pointy part. Remember, this is the mouth. And I'm going to go ahead and color in. And I'm going to make it like a little triangle sticking out. And I'm going to make two, one on one side, two here on the top. So I begin with my stripes, and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna have, kind of have to think ahead, like, okay, I'm gonna put my eyes here. So do I want stripes right here? Do I want further down? It's your choice. So I'm gonna put mine a little bit further down. So now I've got some stripes going. Alright, now I want to forget there's a nose, so I'm going to put the, since I got a Sharpie, okay, so there's my tiger's nose. Now with our eyes, I got some white paper, copy paper is great. Either you can use free draw your eyes, the circles for your eyes, or you can use a penny to trace. So I'm going to use my penny to trace, to make my circles look pretty close to look like circles. And if you like to just do it by freehand, that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is your bookmark. So I go ahead and cut. So I go ahead and did my circles. And I'm going to cut my circles. And when I'm finished, I'm going to glue, decide where I want to place my eyes. And I notice sometimes my circles I make are not, you know, exactly like a shape of a penny or coin. That's okay. I'm just making a fun bookmark. So I go ahead and use my glue stick. And since I trace on the one side and put the part where I trace, where I glued, I'm going to decide where I want to put my eyes. So I'm going to put my one eye here. And I'm going to put my other eye on the other side. Let's try that again. Alright, so I'll let that dry. So I got my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead, since I'm letting them dry, I'm going to draw in my eyes with my Sharpie. You can either use your construction paper to do little black little circles for the pupil, or you can use a Sharpie. I'm just going to wait a minute, let it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the teeth. So I'm going to have two teeth sticking out. So I still have my white paper here. I either can recycle what I have here, which looks like I have a pointy edge. So I'm going to use that one. And I'm just going to create another one. So the nice thing about this is you can just start reusing what you already have. I'm going to decide where do I want to put my teeth. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put maybe a little bit further over. Yeah, my glue, but oops, my glue's not getting enough glue. There we go. There's my one. Wow. So I think the trickiest part is trying to get your teeth stuck. I'm going to try this one. Maybe I made it too small. Let's try that. Oh, that worked out better. So I recommend having a longer piece because I had trouble gluing this one on. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so that my base that I glue will stay. I'm going to try and make it. So now I got my teeth. There we go. Alright, now we're going ahead and make the mouth, inside the mouth. And I'm going ahead and, it's kind of like have to kind of eyeball it, decide, well, how big do I want? So I can make the yellow more the outline. So I'm going to try the corner piece here that I have a red. I realize that's probably too big, so I'll go ahead and trim that off a little bit. See if that'll fit nicely. Oh, almost. I think I'm going to try it this way. I don't like it that way. Let's try around. There we go. I know what happened. I like this a little bit more pointier. Okay. So now I'm going to glue top edge and just push it inside the mouth. And I'm going to place it on the bottom of the page here, not on the top where the teeth are at. So that way, there we go. So I'm going to put inside, so the teeth were on the folded part and the flat part for the mouth. Alright, well I think I want to have a little more color in the mouth, so I got some pink. So I go ahead and put a little bit of pink in there. See if that'll look nice. Yeah, that'll work. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, put it on the bottom. So I definitely recommend kind of place your pieces where you want it before you glue. So you decide that's where I want it to have it. So again, I put it inside the pocket. Lay flat. Now notice I haven't finished the eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Sharpie and go ahead and do my eyes. Now I'm starting to look like a tiger. I see the stripes, the eyes, the nose, the teeth, the mouth. Now I'm missing the ears, so I have some yellow left. Got some yellow paper here. I'm going to decide, well, I want my ears to be big or small. It's your choice. So let's go ahead and make her ears. That's kind of big. There we go. Ooh, that'll work. And then we'll try another one. Looks like I used all my pieces. And you can do it this way, do it separately, or you can fold it together. I think it did turn out the way I really wanted it to turn out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold it and then go ahead and try this way. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to take the base and place it right behind where I did the stripes. And then go ahead and do the same with the other. just put a little black line inside my ears. And there you go. Now you have your tiger bookmark. And go ahead and find your last page, your red, and place it in the pages in the corner of the mouth. Close your book and you're ready to go. So you can try many colors. You can go ahead and you can do a tiger. You can create a silly monster. I created a silly monster bookmark here. So you have fun with all the color paper you have. All you need is color paper, glue, scissors. If you want to, measure, make sure you have 6 inches by 6 inches. Otherwise, you can create as many bookmarks as you want. Thank you for joining me today. If you're looking for more interesting and engaging online experiences for you and your children, please visit our website at www.gorklibraries.org. In the top line under What Can I Do, click on View Online Resources and select For Kids. There are a variety of wonderful sites for you to explore with your child.